Joaquin Valley Transparency. I'm here with Tulare County Cop Watch. Nate's Gates 182. And just in the area, it seemed like there was something going on over here. So we're gonna walk down this way and see if find out what's going on in the community. Maybe get some questions answered. There's fine. I'm not sure what's going on over here, but looks like a report's going to be taken or something. I hear sirens in the background. I'm not sure exactly what's going on over here. Could be something domestic. I think the lady was inquiring about us and asked us what we were doing here, but she didn't make a big deal about it. From there. I wish the fucking lawnmower guy would turn his shit off. There's another police. The news guy doesn't know how to park over there. Without hitting the curb. Like, come on. Hurry up and get up. He then go talk to his friend, the officer, or what?
As soon as we have some more,
How you doing today, man?
yeah.
dude know I'm good if you're in that kind of relationship. Is everything cool right here?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, everything's good.
Do you want to go look inside?
No, I can't listen to information. I'll see what my sergeant says though, okay? I appreciate that.
Yes, that's the sergeant.
Keep quiet.
Sergeant on the phone. I'll ask the sergeant myself. As of right now, nobody's under arrest. I don't know exactly what's going on. There was a call on the radio about, I think it was a domestic disturbance or dispute and whatnot. There were detectives here. There are people here sitting outside the house. There's nobody in custody. I do hear noises coming from over there somewhere. There's a sergeant here. There's 2 officers here. One of them seems to be pretty young. The other officer walked by and he was pretty cordial. The officers haven't bothered with us. The detective waved at us when he left. I'm guessing Bakersfield Police Department is starting to hopefully respect the First Amendment right to record. I think the police and all of us, well, let me change that. I think the image of police is supposed to be that they want less killings by police, you know. So I think that's what we all want. I want to see if I can try to help lower the numbers of police justified killings in Kern County. I'm tired of being first in the nation, so I'd like to be last. And so far these officers seem to be respectful. So how much grass does that guy have to cut? Shit. What's up, bro? Everything's cool? Is everything cool right here? Yeah, we go on record police, man. We just make sure they don't violate people's rights and shit. You can watch me on YouTube and shit.
Y'all do anything else, like music videos and stuff?
Nah, we don't do nothing like that, really.
You ever thought about it?
Actually, I've done a music video.
Yeah?
Yeah, I've done one, and I got a job to do a second one. But this is where my heart is at, man. Recording police, posted on YouTube, you know. Can we ask what happened, man?
Honestly, I don't even know what happened. So.
You don't even know what happened?
I just woke up.
Oh shit! You don't even know the cops are here?
Nah, I mean, not really. Like, it's just kind of like.
Cool. I hear you.
Yeah.
I hear you. Well, subscribe to our channels, man. Watch what we do, man, and
Yeah, I will.
and educate yourself and empower yourself. You know, anyone can do this. Even if you have a phone, you can record police, post it on YouTube. You know. Stay safe.
I got some work for you, man.
Yeah. Hey, get with me, bro. You got a phone? But I have done a music video, bro. So I'll shoot you the link so you can see what I've done. And I got some really good quality camera equipment. I'm a photographer, so but I just started doing video most recently.
We gotta get EPKs done, a lot of stuff done. You know what I'm saying?
That's what's up. You do music?
Yeah.
Good shit.
Like right around the alley where we need to get done. So.
Good shit. What's your name?
Jordan.
Jordan?
Yeah, that's like a blessing.
Hell yeah. That's what's up, bro. Nice to meet you, man. Text me your name. Let me know what's up. Text me like any music you've done or whatever.
Yeah, it's gonna be six. I gotta get back to the list, but
Yeah.
send you some information and stuff.
Alright, man.
Really good, man.
Yeah. Have a good one, bro.
Hey, the girl on the right agreed to talk to us after they're done.
That's what's up. Good shit. They gotta keep going back into a huddle. Like if they're on a football team.
What's our next play? What's our next play?
Sergeant is the coach and the quarterback. They don't have their badge numbers on their
The one goes and gets the information and then he goes back to the huddle. Okay, what
I know.
did they say?
That's hilarious, dude.
No, that'd be funny though.
Honestly, I'm not quite sure. I'm always here, son.
Everything all right here, Sarge?
Yeah, everything's fine.
Cool, man. Have a good day.
You too.
Hey, you don't mind if I get your name and badge number?
Yeah, it's Sergeant Dossie, 897.
Awesome, man. Thank you.
Hey, Dawson.
Yeah.
Can I talk to you real quick?
About what?
What happened?
Yeah, we can't. We're still working on an investigation right now, so I can't.
Yeah, I think it is, honestly.
He's taking pictures of something. I'm not sure what it is.
Okay. Thank you.
You guys got your pictures?
Yep, we're good, thanks.
You guys have a good day, man.
You too.
Hey, can we ask you what happened?
No, we don't want to talk. I want to talk to them. They drove by. They think
Here you go. Here's my card.
We're nice. We'll give you our cards as well.
you're nice.
Yeah, we're nice.
Y'all good.
We're just here for the
we're going to
police,
record
just to
police.
make sure they're treating you guys right.
Oh yeah, thank
sure
you.
they don't violate
because it
people's
could have
rights.
went wrong, honestly.
Yeah.
You see they started to have like a attitude or whatever when they seen my boyfriend. You know, the black dude that walked out. But
Really?
whatever, it's fine.
So did they just pass by and see him out here and started messing with him, or
No,
what?
that's not what this all happened was because my stepdad and my little sister dad, basically they were fighting, and he's a crackhead basically, and this guy pulled out a gun,
Oh shit.
and this dude, the guy that stained my cousin's boyfriend, came out to try to help them because they were all wrestling on the ground and shit, and he got shot in his foot.
Oh fuck.
And I honestly don't even know who called the cops or nothing.
Oh
So,
shit.
I don't know. I just came out because I heard screaming and yelling.
So he shot himself in the foot, or somebody else got shot in the
No,
foot?
the dude that came over here trying to start problems, Mike, he shot him in the foot.
Oh wow. So
Like,
he shot.
literally took my dad's step gun out his fucking pocket or whatever.
Oh
the fuck,
wow.
and yeah, shot him.
And shot your stepdad?
No, the Damien, he's not really he's my cousin's boyfriend.
Okay.
He just shot him like in the foot. It has like a hole right there and the bullet right there
damn.
still.
So he went to the hospital?
Yeah, and they're all questioning my mom and shit. Like, thinking like she has, or because like they seen the Tahoe leave, they pulled up and they seen my mom leave. Because after all this, my mom wanted to pick up my little sister because she thinks like her dad might go take her from school and shit. And
Oh wow.
he's very like salty and weird and fucked up. So we were just, yeah, that's basically what I got out of it. I just seen somebody get shot and I just seen the cops pull up and yeah.
Damn.
Were they asking you unnecessary questions?
Yeah, to my boyfriend.
Yeah.
They were?
He's fucking black and shit. Like,
What were they asking him?
well, he already told him like I didn't see anything. I just walked out, you know, whenever
The shit was
cops
going
were
on,
basically
yeah.
here, detectives or whatever. Fuck, and they're all like, well, they're just pressing him. They wouldn't even let him go get a cigarette. Like, it's
Damn.
annoying.
Damn. Well,
Sorry about that.
I hope.
Thank you guys.
I hope
though.
I hope we made the cops calm down because that's what we do. Sometimes, in
Yeah,
Bakersfield,
I think you did, honestly.
Bakersfield's the deadliest
Yeah.
county for police
Did you
justified
feel it when
killings.
we showed up?
Yeah, cause
apologize.
I was honestly, when you guys passed by, I thought, oh god, it's just a bunch of kids fucking like looking at me like fuck. But like, I don't know. Yeah.
Well, that's
it
what we do. We
helped.
do cop watch.
Yeah, I
we do
seen
cop
your
watch.
shirt.
Yeah,
That's cool.
his shirt.
Thank you.
Yeah, watch our channels. Empower
Yeah, I will
yourself.
definitely
And do the same thing.
subscribe.
Save somebody
I will
else.
follow whatever you guys are doing.
Save someone else.
Support
You know,
you
pull your
guys.
phone out and record if you see police. Save
Yeah.
someone.
All right.
You know what I'm saying?
Always record yourself.
What was your name?
Aubrey Cook Scott.
David.
Aubrey,
Nice to meet you. So
Until
much.
Larry.
Is it okay if we post this on our channels?
I know I'm good. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Have a great day and be
Thank
safe, girl.
Follow me.
Hey, you want to plug anything in? Your Instagram or something? Do you have a
Fuck.
YouTube channel?
Aubrey De La Garza. That's my Instagram. That's all I got.
All right. All right. You might get a lot of friends saying
All
hi.
right. So cool.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you guys.
You're welcome. Very welcome.
These are all the cards you got. This is your social
Yeah.
media and shit.
And you'll find him. You'll find him on my channel, Nate Skates 182. This guy right here.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Have a wonderful
Bye,
day.
cutie.
Oh shit, cutie. What's up, cutie?